Far beyond the icy waves of the southern sea, in a cozy little snow dome nestled beneath the glowing auroras, lived a young penguin named Penny. Penny wasn't like the other penguins who loved sliding on ice or diving for fish. Penny loved colors. But there was one problem. Everything in Penny's world was white, gray, or blue. No pinks, no oranges, no rainbows. Every night, Penny would look up at the shimmering auroras dancing in the sky and whisper, "I wish I could paint the world with colors like that." While her friends built snow forts, Penny sketched with sticks in the snow, while others raced on the ice. She imagined blue whales with purple polka dots and seagulls wearing glittery hats. The other penguins teased her sometimes. "Why are you drawing things that aren't real? Penguins don't paint." But Penny didn't stop dreaming. One snowy evening, while watching the northern lights swirl and twinkle, Penny spotted something unusual falling from the sky. Sparkles, a glowing feather, soft and golden, fluttered down and landed right beside her. As soon as she touched it, poof, the feather turned into a tiny paintbrush, sparkling with light and swirling with every color she'd ever dreamed of. A quiet voice echoed in the wind. "Paint the sky, little penguin. Show the world your colors." With wide eyes and a hopeful heart, Penny dipped the brush into the air and gave a gentle stroke. Dizzy whoosh! A streak of pink shot across the sky. She twirled again. Yellow heart golden swirls lit up the clouds. She danced in circles. A rainbow loop followed her path. The frozen land below began to glow with soft hues of orange, lavender, and coral. Snow sparkled like glitter. Icebergs shimmered like crystals. Penny's world was no longer black and white. It was alive with color. The next morning, the other penguins woke up to a world that looked like a dream. They waddled outside, blinking in amazement. What happened? Who did this? Is it magic? Penny stood shyly at the edge of the hill, clutching the paintbrush. "It was me," she said softly. "I just wanted to show the world the colors I see in my heart." For a moment, there was silence. Then one penguin smiled. Another clapped. A group of chicks giggled and began sliding down a pink-tinted hill. "It's beautiful. Can you teach us how to do that? We've never seen anything so magical." Penny's heart swelled. She wasn't just a penguin with strange ideas anymore. She was Penny the Sky Painter. Brave, creative, and full of color. And from that day on, the Iceland was never just white and gray again. Because Penny reminded everyone that the most magical worlds come from inside our imagination. The story told us, your creativity is a gift. Never be afraid to share your colors with the world.